Welcome back, YouTube family. Charles here from Mary Ellen's. And if you like big butts, this is the episode for you. All right, welcome YouTube family. Here we got our two boneless pork butts. The reason I like to use boneless versus bone-in is because it seems like you get a lot more meat. And what I like with the boneless pork butt is we can get inside and get all that seasoning in there, and we get that smoke inside. We had these in the refrigerator overnight. We recommend you season them and let them sit in the cooler for at least 12 hours before you put them on the smoker. These have been in 24 hours. Now we're getting ready to take them out, put them on the smoker. We have the grill set between 2 and 250, which is a wide range for pork. We can do that. Ideally, we like to have it a little bit hotter, 225 to 250. That would be perfect. And we'll try to let these babies go for about 8 to 10 hours, depending on how big. These are about 8 pounds a piece. So these will probably go between 8 and 9 hours. As you can see with the pork, there's a huge layer of fat on the top of the pork. And for these long cooks, this works great. We don't want to trim these down, like say for instance, the brisket, because there's a lot of flavor in this pork. So we'll leave this on top. We just trimmed it a little bit. Whereas the brisket, we do 1/4 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch of fat. This we can have almost 1/2 inch to 1 inch of fat, and it'll be perfectly fine on the smoker. So we're gonna leave this on here. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna see what it does on the smoker. All right, YouTube family, we got the grill. She's sitting at about 225 right now, ready to put these pork butts on and see how it goes. We're gonna put these on indirect heat. Our heat is way up front. So these will sit and just smoke for about 8 to 10 hours. Woo-wee! Welcome back, YouTube family. It is time. It's been about 8.5 hours. We want to see what this pork butt is looking like. Y'all ready? Let's check it out. You know, sometimes that steel expands and contracts a little bit. Let's grab her off here and see what she's doing. Oh wait, looks like she's dripping, y'all. Oh wait. Oh my goodness. I'm looking for that smoke to retain all of those juices. That's basically the science behind smoking. When you can get that smoke to seal the entire butt so those juices cannot escape, I want this baby to be super juicy. So what right now I'll do is I'll probably just take the corner of this thing and I'll just throw it down in there. Oh my goodness. You see that? See how she just pulled the pork? If she wasn't so hot, you can just take her like this. See that bark where it's hard? A little hard right there. But then you can just bust it apart. You see that smoke in there? That's what you want in your pork butt. You want to just be able to, that meat to just come apart on you. Let's see how soft she is. Oh man. Ooh, that's a soft butt right there. Oh my goodness. All right, we got this baby off the grill. It's time to take her inside, let her rest for about 20 minutes. Then we're gonna pull her apart and see how this butt tastes. All right, we're gonna take this bad boy off of here. We got a nice little pan here. And here at Mary Ellen's, you know, you say pulled pork, but here at Mary Ellen's, we chop it. So we're just gonna get to chopping. And you know she's ready when you can see that blade just chop right through there. Tell me you don't like the taste of butt in the afternoon. Ooh! All right, so for all intents and purposes here, oh man, the Smoke took a deep dive into this baby. All right, guys, we got it all chopped up. We don't pull them apart, we chop them. Now that we got it chopped, let's show you how we plate it. Let's go. We'll grab us a little Sara Lee. We're gonna throw on the grill for a second. Let her toast up a little bit. All right. We're gonna come in here. We're gonna grab us some of that nice slaw. We're gonna put her on the top bun. Like to get us a nice, healthy portion of pork on there. Oh my goodness. Then we take this bun. We slap her over on there like that. And there you have it. Mary Ellen's pulled pork and slaw sandwich.